This is the black leather and diamond bling bling rhinestone crystal steering wheel cover. This steering wheel cover, as you can see, this is the size large, meant to fit a steering wheel that measures 15.5 to 16 inches. Give you a close look here. It really blings and sparkles in the light. Let me come back down. And I assume I was supposed to put that at the bottom, but I did not get it there. So this really is a beautiful, sparkly steering wheel cover. I've driven around with it. It's not rough on the hands. It's quite nice. So, again, this is the Bling Bling crystal steering wheel cover. Love it.